Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and what we have here is the LG G2 Android smartphone. This is the second generation device in the Optimus G series, but the Optimus branding has been removed from this smartphone and it's actually called as the LG G2. This comes with no physical button on the bottom and it comes with no volume rockers or those on-off buttons on the sides. Everything has been moved onto the back and this is what you get. Let me just tap here and show you the home screen. So this is the actual home screen which you get, and the default wallpaper. It comes with a very beautiful UI, as you can see here. It comes with some beautiful effects, as you can see here. You can swipe in any area to unlock the screen, and you can also preview what's in the back. So that's pretty interesting here, and you can also run different applications by directly long pressing onto the shortcut and then unlocking the phone. So if you would like to directly go to the camera application, you just have to long press here and move back, and the camera application is loaded. So here is the home screen which you get, except these 5 different applications which I have actually installed right now. Apart from that, you get these different home screens, and all of them have different shortcuts and widgets installed. When you go to the applications area, you get a different list of applications which are already available onto this smartphone, wherein most of these are again Google based apps and few LG specific applications like the Live Square, LG Backup, which is for backing up all the data. There's a memo application which is for writing notes onto your device. You just have to tap on the press button and you can start writing the notes. It's actually for writing notes. That's what it's meant for. So here we go. As you can see here, we can actually write content here, and it's pretty fluid and writing pretty good. So overall, that's the memo application, which is again a part of the LG G2 different apps. Apart from that, you have the navigation, the notebook application. Most of the others are again the Google based apps like the playbooks, play games, play movies, play music, play store, etc. Quick remote is another interesting feature, which is actually using the IR blaster on the top, which you can see in the front end part. It's pretty small IR blaster when compared to other smartphones right now in the market. Apart from that, as you can see here, you have different other applications like the video editor, which is actually interesting. I'll be showing a demo of that in the later videos series. There's a Polaris Viewer 5 application for checking out the MS Office based files. You have the LG Smart World application, which would again connect to the internet first. It's going to take a while to upgrade. Let me just skip that part right now. You have the safety care application and the task manager. Apart from that, I have also installed a few other applications which are again not required to discuss right now. So that's about the applications area. Let me just go to the settings part and show you what all comes here. Under settings, you have an option of gestures wherein you can actually enable or disable them. Like during an incoming call, you can bring the phone to your ear to answer the call. You can fade out ringtone. Like during an incoming call, pick up the phone from the flat surface to fade out the ringtone, which means the volume of the ringtone would actually go down. You can snooze or turn off the alarm by flipping the phone. You can pause the video by flipping the phone again. So there are few interesting stuff actions which you can perform by using the gestures option. There's this one-handed operation, which is again a feature which we had earlier seen on the Samsung Galaxy Note series, and it's actually available now on this device too, which would actually move all the keyboard options on one side, and it's easy to type. This is a storage section where you can see that out of the total 32 GB which is available on this device, we have around 25 plus GB available. Since I had installed a few applications, I actually have just 24.8 available right now. So that's about the storage part. Apart from that, you have the 3000 mAh of battery, which is expected to run for around 3 hours or 1.5 hours based on the current usage pattern. You do have some battery saver options which you can enable or disable here under the settings area. You have the slide aside, which would save running applications aside and bring them back to the display. Apart from that, there is a very interesting feature which is the guest mode. Here where what you can do is you can display only the pre-selected applications on a separate home screen, and then you can enter the guest mode by displaying a pattern only, which you have to enable it earlier. Following which you can actually share this phone with your wife or your kids, and only limited number of applications would be available for them to access. So this is where you can select the applications which you would like to give them the access to. Talking about the phone itself, let's go to the software information, and it comes with Android 4.2.2, and we really hope that LG would actually push the Android 4.3 version for this, or maybe the KitKat version, that's 4.4 on this Android smartphone. As of now, under the update center, when I check for the app software update, it says that there is no update available right now for this device. So this was a quick demo of the interface in terms of what comes pre-installed onto this device. Let me just give you a quick overview of the camera application also. So as you can see here is the camera app, and these are different options which you get here. The first thing what you get here is the flashlight option. The next one is switching from the back to the front camera. The third option is selecting the mode, wherein you can choose from the normal mode to short and clear if you would like to remove any objects from the background. Like as you can see here in the demo, this person would be removed. There is this option of panorama mode. There is this option of 20 per shot, which would actually capture 20 photos. Dual camera is for using both the cameras in one go. There is this time catch mode, which would actually capture moments before you press the shutter button. Intelligent auto is actually for setting up, selecting all the auto options and capturing the right photo. This is sports mode, night mode, short and clear, etc. So the company has actually claimed that this phone captures actually pretty good images in low light, so we will also do a test of that. So you can check out the captures on our blog, that's androidadvices.com. Talking about the options here, the captures range from 13 megapixel down to 1 megapixel, so you can select whatever is based on your requirement. You can also select the different kind of focus options from auto, manual or face tracking. You can set up the voice assisted captures like cheese shutter to capture photos, like I'll be showing you a demo of this. So since it's a LG device, it also accepts some Korean words like kimchi or LG, whiskey, smile and cheese. So the moment you say that, the photo would be captured. You can also enable the option of using the back buttons to capture the photos. Like if you use the volume buttons, then the photo would be captured. And you can actually use the main button to capture the photos and volume up and down to zoom into the photos. So these are few of the options which you can set up, and let me just show you a quick demo of that. LG cheese. So the picture was captured. I was referring to the zoom options using these buttons, and the shutter button can be used this one. So here we go. It's right now using it as a on-off switch, but you can actually use these buttons for capturing pictures this way. So the picture was captured. So that's pretty interesting feature. It would take a while for most of the users to get accustomed to these options, because most of the times we have these volume rockers on the sides, and it's pretty habituated to use that way. I generally have the tendency to use these volume rockers and on-off switch either here or on the left, but this time it's pretty new. You actually have to use your index fingers to use these kind of actions. So this is pretty interesting in terms of the smartphone, and it also comes with the OIS feature. So it's a pretty interesting smartphone, I would say, and it comes with some interesting features also. Talking about the OIS feature, I had earlier captured a quick video while driving, and it's not something which is pretty fancy. It was a quick video actually. Let me just show you a demo in terms of the OIS feature. So as you can see, even I was trying to zoom in while driving, and we were able to do that. As you can see here, I just zoom into the video camera, and the OIS also is perfectly working right now. We don't see much bumps. Let me just try to enter office, and then you can clearly understand the point of this OIS feature. So as you can see, we are actually entering our office, and there's not much bumps, as you can see here, even though we are driving on a bumpy route, and it's going pretty decent way. So that was a quick demo of the OIS feature. Again, I'll be capturing some good videos footage and then showing you a actual comparison, also compared with the Note 3 and the other smartphones right available in the market. So do like this video if you appreciate our efforts, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries around this Android smartphone. Do subscribe to Advice Media for more videos around the LG G2 and the other smartphone videos which we record and upload every week. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.